56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. We've got some updates in the forecast for you. Severe thunderstorm watch until 10 p.m. All the counties highlighted here in yellow. Some isolated instances of potentially severe weather for us tonight as some stronger storms produce hail and some damaging straight line winds. Right now, most of them are staying sub-severe, but the warmer temperatures are starting to work in for us to bring back some of the energy needed to get these storms going. Our home view does show an unsettled sky, some thunderstorm-like formations, at least in these four frames. As we go over to radar, you'll probably find a few a little bit better from our Jackson scene. You can see some working up towards the Richmond area right now. Plenty of lightning with that, but sub-severe at this time. If we flip to the Louisville side, you can see kind of the progression of some of these storms as they've been floating up from the southwest, and they will continue to work across the bluegrass here over the course of the next several hours until the sun sets and we can get this front to lift maybe even a little further north. We're going to be seeing that isolated chance for some of those storms here tonight. But outside of those isolated instances, we are in a bit of a lull. We've got more severe weather underneath the warm front near where the low pressure center is. And eventually all of this is going to, if you could guess, work right back across the state as we head into tomorrow. We've got a severe weather outlook tonight that goes with the thunderstorm watch in place. A level 2 here. Better chances in western Kentucky for a bit more activity through the overnight and into early parts of your Saturday. As we look at our flash flooding risk tonight, we've already had it much of today. Our rain chances stay pretty limited outside of those isolated storms until tomorrow morning again. So our focus will turn to what the outlooks are for our Saturday. Of course, flood alerts are ongoing all across the state. Most of us are in a flood warning of some type. Flash flood warning in Anderson and Mercer. This watch goes through Sunday morning because we are expecting quite a bit more rainfall again into the weekend. Our confirmed totals of reports here for rain, most of us are actually over 5 inches. This is radar estimated. It does a pretty good job of highlighting at least where the heaviest has come in. Many spots anywhere from 3 to 6 to even 7 inches, 8+ over in western Kentucky, with another 2 to 5 inches expected from now through the weekend. It is going to continue to be a serious flooding threat across the board for Kentucky as we go through our Saturday and our Sunday. That's the next big thing, timing and tracking all of this out. Futurecast doing a really good job again of showing up where these isolated storms are. They work a few more through, but you see by about 10 o'clock they're gone. We have most of the overnight quiet until about 4 or 5 a.m. when this next line of storms starts to work through. And as we watch into Saturday, maybe the potential for some strong to even severe weather with this line through the midday Saturday, but heavy pockets of rain and multiple training thunderstorms repeat. Another line into Saturday night with rain and heavy showers and storms working into early Sunday morning. You see Futurecast going all the way into Sunday, finally trying to let up a little bit, but more redevelopment I really don't think will be free until overnight Sunday, possibly even into parts of Monday morning. Our flash flood risk for tomorrow is elevated once again. Of course, the highest of the risk is going to be in western Kentucky. They've had the most rain. They'll continue to get the most, but another 1 to 2 to 5 inches total anywhere where we've had the flooding already is going to be a rather big deal. Of course, our severe weather outlook for Saturday in the yellow shaded area here, once again looking at a wind and isolated hail threat. Can't rule out brief spin-ups with these storms as they come through. Once again, you can see that the track really is going to come up out of the southwest and move in for us as we go throughout our Saturday, and that'll be the other thing to keep an eye on. Again, finally Sunday, everything starts to relax. We go into Saturday and Sunday with the severe threat. By Monday, we're starting to talk about drier, cooler, more comfortable weather, but that cooler, comfortable weather turns over for us with those low 40s, even upper 20s for some overnight lows. Tuesday, chilly again. And then we go into the later part of the week with a gradual warm-up. We will be talking about some more spotty shower chances in the mix as we go into later parts of the week. But all in all, we've got to get through the rest of this weekend and get rid of these showers and storms before we get